What's going on, guys? This is Kedar here. So Clash of Clans is having some big issues as of right now. The Clash of Clans is crashing unexpectedly. Some people can't able to launch it. Some people can't able to log in. So today in this video, I'll be addressing all this important issue, and this is particularly happening to a specific group of people. As far as looking into all the important details, guys, I have found out the apparent cause. Some people say that they are stuck in searching for opponents. They can't able to find any opponents and can't able to play online. Also, sometimes when you try to load up the game, all you see is this screen, and here you can see, guys, let me show you what will happen. So when you try to load up the game, it will simply crash like nothing has ever happened. When you try to launch the game, you know what, it will try to load up, show you these logos and whatever, but after some time you can see, guys, after loading up, you can see 99% it suddenly crashes. So that's kind of a thing going on with the Clash of Clans. I get it, this is completely not normal, so that's why I checked out all the important details right here onto the Twitter, and here you can see, guys, 3 minutes ago still crashing. Come on, guys, I wanted to play, and this crash is going on since yesterday, and you know what, people are frustrated. I have not been able to open the game for over 24 hours now because constantly crashing and at the loading screen. The game still crashes on loading, even technical break did not fix anything. Now I will get to that in a moment what this technical break is all about. Clash of Clans has got update regarding that. They have actually provided the timeline when this will be going to end and all that. So now you know what, guys, all this issue is happening due to this builder base 2.0. They have updated this thing yesterday, but looks like their implementation has got some problems, and that's why the update isn't working as of right now. So you got it, guys, many people are still looking for the fix, and today in this video I'll be providing all the latest details, all the latest updates. So let's get right into it. Alright, so checking out the Twitter official page for Clash of Clans, let's check out the latest details. So yesterday they had dropped Builder Base 2.0 update, then many users faced app crashes. Then right after that, guys, here you can see they have been started acknowledging the issue and fixed the matchmaking issue first. Then they have fixed out the lost connection error while you try to find the match in BB. They also figured out the content fix that crashes the game. That's particularly regarding the Inferno's upgrade. Yesterday they have acknowledged that Inferno Tower and Giga Inferno upgrading before the update. Well, those are the things causing the crashes. So hopefully that will get fixed soon. That 20 hours ago. And then right after that, guys, 1 hour ago, this is their latest tweet as of right now. Hey Chiefs, will take a maintenance break approximately in 20 minutes from this post. We'll be making some server improvements and fixing couple of bugs. Unfortunately, replays will be invalidated during maintenance. See you in a bit. And you know what, guys, they have said that this maintenance break will approximately last around 20 minutes. And if you check out the timing of this post has 1 hour ago. This post was posted on 1:11 p.m. and you know what, they said 20 minutes from this post. So in fact they are already delayed in the process of the maintenance period. Unfortunately, when this maintenance will be going to end, for sure we don't know this for sure, because you know what, Clash of Clans didn't have provided any details. They said 20 minutes, but you know what, 20 minutes have already elapsed, and you know what, we are still waiting to see when this will get fixed. Once I get any latest update, I'll keep you updated, so make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.